Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you something funny that my friend and I figured out. So I have these little, they're bio tags that you normally put in the neck of like normally like a dog or something for a shelter, so if the dog gets lost, they'll have the information on there. And we can use these as a substitute for the crystals. These ones are actually the same kind that are in the crystal themselves. They're EM4305 tags. Now you can find these on AliExpress for around 20 bucks for 20 of them. I'll leave a link below for you guys for that. So we put one of those inside the butt of the Lego guy and hot glued it, and it actually fits quite well inside the hilt of the lightsaber. And I made him orange. I'll show you a video of this to see what it looks like. And so that's just the orange hilt with the yellow blade. So I'll show you guys how we did that. So it's actually quite simple. We just pull the Lego guy apart, and then we drilled through right here. Normally this is blocked off, so we drilled through right there, and then we put the chip with the clear part facing down, so the hilt actually reads this, and we put it inside of the Lego guy's legs, just like that. And then once you do that, then he should be able to read it, because the distance is just enough for the bottom of the hilt to read it. And that's pretty much it.